Welcome back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, where today's project is very simple. We are doing a tune-up on the 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body, and it's going to be very simple. Tools you're probably going to need if you have a setup like this, it's dirty as you can see, is you're going to probably need one of these 7mm for the bolt to take out the cold air intake. Then after that, you're probably going to need a 10mm for the coil packs to take those out, and a socket spark plug remover with an extension. You can go to Amazon, it's pretty cheap for the socket and the extension with a what do you call that, the magnet on it. So anyway, stay tuned, I'll show you how it goes. DayFox.com. DayFox.com. So as you can see, we got the coils out, screwed them out one by one. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty easy. And then we've already taken out the old spark plugs. We need a 5/8 spark plug remover. That's the old one. Size it up. It's a good match. Alright, let's see, now this is the one right here. These are the Iridium upgrades, and we should be good to go. We're trying to beat the weather. Let me show you what it's looking like out here. And now I got my wife out here, she helped me out. That's how easy this job is, right? She's changing spark plugs, man. It's awesome. But anyway, stay tuned. Like I said, we got the boots out. We're taking out all the spark plugs. We're going to replace all the spark plugs, replace them with the new boots. You guys need to go to TRQ if you want to get good Iridium and sports boots. Let me show you what it looks like. These are the performance boots. The link will be in my bio. You guys can check it out. They come in a set. These are the performance boots. So I keep you guys posted, man. Easy job, man. It's real easy, like I said. Just do it when it's not too hot outside and when it's not raining. Comes in a set just like that. I had to take out my cold air intake. Alright. Boots come with these screws. These are 10 mils. Like that. Just unscrew them, one here, one here. The car is literally dead right now, so make sure you take the negative power off your battery if it's still running. My car is dead right now, so there's no electrical going on right now. But anyway, there it is. Stay tuned. Got that 5/8 socket lamp. I know it's working out. Just don't hit none of them lines right there.
That line is going to wait.
Alright, almost there. Alright, we got a little sun coming out, so we dodged the bullet. We got shade, that's important. Right now thermostat is about 98, 99, but with this cool overpass, probably go down to about 89.
show them how to take the clip out?
Yeah, I mean, I gave a description. I didn't go to detail because it's self-explanatory.
Yeah, no, it ain't. Because that shit a little bit off. Putting trying to get it out.
That's true. Yeah, if you guys got one of these bars on your car, man, just know you can't use a drill. You got to use the hand tool to take these parts out. And you got to torque it to as tight as it can be. I don't have the specs on the actual torque, but just as tight, not too much to where you're overdoing it. You could damage the actual spark plug and the input where the spark plug goes. Yeah, but the wife has got it, man. Stay tuned. Now, when you got all your spark plugs lubed up, ready to go, you know, you can use this for the boots. You don't want your boots to see. Spark plug boot protector. Put that on the inside, maybe with a Q-tip. Use some like grease on the outside. You want to hand tighten, all right? Make sure you hand tighten the spark plugs to where it will take a little bit more force to tighten it. With not just, you know, not just with your hand, but ratchet. That's when you know it's set. If I keep going, so right now, see, it's in there. Snug fit. Again, I'm using as a focus, a 5/8 tilt ratchet socket. And yeah, definitely want to make sure it's got the magnet on it so you can slide it in ever so slightly. Right here, just let it slide in like so, and just begin to turn. Again, if it tightens too soon, then you have to take it back out and readjust, because then it's not in there correctly. As you can see, we're in the process of putting the first set in. This will be the driver's side. They always consider the driver's side the hardest side to remove and to replace. As you see the wifey's, she's tightening them all up. Did you tighten them all up?
Not yet. You say you need to...
No, not yet. Go ahead, finish tightening. So as she's tightening them up, making sure the boots are secured in. When you're installing the boots, make sure, like I said, you put the grease on the side, outside the boot, so it will dry up. Make sure you put the NTCs inside the boot so that it doesn't fuse to the spark plug when you're trying to remove it. And just make sure the boots are secured in and you start tightening them up. Like I said, it's an easy job. It's tedious. And they can do, you know what I'm saying, just make sure they're in there good, nice and snug. And you hand tighten them, so when they do stick, you tighten it up with them. Alright? And next, after this, we'll show you how to take out the electrical clips. I think I can show you. But it's pretty, you look at it, you're like, well, how do you take it out, right? So, right, there's this clip right here. When it's on the boot, it is pushed in, right? So you can't, it snug locks in. So you just push that up. So I can push it up with one hand. Push it up and you get like a Phillips flathead, and you push this in and then it pulls right out. Get it in right there at the bottom right here. Push that in and it pulls right out. Well guys, it's a wrap. Tune-up has been done. As you can see, the place. Just gonna conclude this video. I got another video coming because, as you can hear. Oh, well, wait a minute. Oh yeah, I also replaced that. I went from I think it's an 80 mm to a 90 mm, and I had to get it clamped. See, I had to put that on there because it's a little louder, a little wider actually. I'm sorry. And so yeah, there it is. She's done. Got to clean it up. Got a pressure washer on it anyway. Wait a minute, what's that tick? What's that tick? A slight tick. anyway, stay tuned. That's a tune-up for your 2021 wide-body Dodge Charger. Next is gonna be transmission flush. I got to look into that tick because that thing sounds funny. Anyway, the Dodge tick is next.